Hey guys, so we're here on Monday. It's the first day back at college after the Christmas break, and we are joined by Jason and Stefan. Say hi guys. So what have you been up to? What have you been up to? Nothing much, man, just been chilling out, just been stuffing my face. Is what you do and get steaming at Christmas. What? And yet again, it is pushing down. We're used to it though.
Yep.
What's up with you, Jason? Thanks, right there. Right, someone want to take off the camera?
Will I have fun knocking at the gun? Stefan, welcome to the interview.
Might you got to interview me about?
Do you like weed?
Yes, very much so.
I kinda guessed that. I mean, look at you. Your hair's a bit of a disaster.
Real?
I don't know this.
Well, let's close it.
Fucking real guy driving a car. Got it book me here. Look at his code, guys. No! It's 2934.
Is that actual?
I think so.
2934? What's
your PIN number? Oh, money!
£50.
What is that for me? Hey,
Camera there.
I'm going to get ill. See, it's
Right, so the camera's about to get ruined by the rain, so we are going to cut off for now. We'll probably do another video in class when we get back. So hope you guys have enjoyed this first video of the new year. Say bye guys.
Bye.